Good day, I bid to Dr. Justin. Today we are going to talk about tropical clouds and precipitation.
A cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. The droplets are so small and light that they can float in the air. The water or ice that make up clouds travels into the sky within air as water vapor. Water vapor gets into the air mainly by evaporation. Some of the liquid water from the ocean, lakes and rivers turns into water vapor and travels in the air. When air rises in the atmosphere, it gets cooler and is under less pressure. When air cools, it's not able to hold all of the water vapor it once was. The vapor becomes small water droplets or ice crystals and a cloud is formed. It's easier for water vapor to condense into water droplets when it has a particle to condense upon. These particles, such as dust and pollen, are called condensation nuclei. Eventually, enough water vapor condenses upon pieces of dust, pollen, or other condensation nuclei to form a cloud. The type of clouds in this video is the nimbostratus cloud. The precipitation of this cloud is continuous rain or snow likely. Nimbostratus clouds can float as low as 2,000 meters, just over 1 mile above the ground, which is pretty low for a cloud. Nimbostratus clouds are dark gray, featureless layers of cloud thick enough to block out the sun. Producing persistent rain, these clouds are often associated with frontal systems provided by mid-latitude cyclones. Nimbostratus clouds form through the deepening and thickening of an altostratus cloud, often along warm or occluded fronts. These clouds extend through the lower and mid layers of the troposphere, bringing rain to the surface below. These mid-level clouds are often accompanied by continuous moderate rain or snow and appear to cover most of the sky. Nimbostratus cloud will often bring precipitation which may last for several hours until the associated front passes over.
This is an example of a stratus cloud. This is stratocumulus. It is a low-level clouds which lie between 6,500 feet. It is very puffy and gray in color. Normally, it forms with blue sky in between them. Stratocumulus is likely to be seen on most cloudy days, and it forms when there's weak convection in the atmosphere. It typically is 200 and 400 meter thick and occur at the top of the boundary layer below thermal inversion. It is composed of droplets unless the cloud top is cooler. In this clip, you can see there is a light rain. This is because stratocumulus normally associated with light rain or other types of precipitation. They also bring drizzle precipitation, which often falls on these clouds when the cloud concentrations are lower than 100 centimeters.
The third cloud is altocumulus. Altocumulus clouds are generally associated with settled weather and will normally appear white or gray with shading. Altocumulus clouds are composed of water droplets and are located at mid-level layers between 2,000 to 6,000 meters above the ground. Altocumulus clouds are most commonly exist in the shape of rounded clumps and masses. Altocumulus clouds can form in several ways, such as formation through the breakup of altostratus, or usually formed by convection in an unstable layer aloft, which may result from the gradual lifting of air in advance of a cold front. The fourth cloud is cumulus cloud. Cumulus clouds are puffy clouds that sometimes look like pieces of floating cotton. Cumulus clouds are low-level clouds, generally less than 2,000 meters in altitude. There are 4 types of cumulus cloud, which are cumulus congestus, cumulus fractus, cumulus humilis, and cumulus mediocris. When the top of the cumulus resembles the head of a cauliflower, or known as cumulus congestus, it will grow upward and they can develop into a giant cumulonimbus, which is a thunderstorm cloud.
Based on this video, we can see that stratus clouds and cumulus clouds are commonly found in Sabah. Identifying the types of clouds help in indicating the weather, whether it is bright and sunny day or give an on-signal change of weather through the process of precipitation and forms rain. Today, with advanced technology, cloud patterns enable weather forecasting made accurately.